Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have an unboxing video for you guys, and I actually have a question for you guys as well. Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys like the videos where it's the subscription box versus subscription box? Or do you guys like the individual subscription box videos? Please let me know down in the comments. I'm trying to figure out how I want to work this since I am subscribed to several boxes. But I want to know whatever you guys think about that. So today I have two subscription boxes. I have my Boxycharm and I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which there's really no bag anymore, at least not this year. So it's more like a subscription, like the Ipsy Glam Plus with no bag. Anyway, I have these two, so we're gonna see which one is better this month, and we're gonna dig right in, and we're gonna start with our Boxycharm. So if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. It is $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size and deluxe size products. So let's see what we got this month. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. Here's a little card that comes with it, and it says this month it is a boxy and chill. That's the theme. And the back has the description of the products as well as the price. So let's start digging in. Okay. The first thing in here is the Rodeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. And this is the 2 ounce. And I actually am a huge fan of the Rodeo brand. I do like their leave-in conditioner. I've tried some of their shampoos and their hair mask, and I have not yet been disappointed. So I'm really excited that this is in here. It is a deluxe size, but honestly, you guys, these last me forever because I just use a little bit of the spray. So we're going to put that aside, and we're going to take a look. And it looks like that 2 ounce size is actually $16. So that is a great price. And it says that it's a leave-in conditioner that it contains B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin to help promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. And that is always a good thing. Okay. So the next thing in here is going to be from Ofra, and it's their long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Havana Nights. This is a full size, and it retails for $20. I do like the Ofra formula. It is not a matte liquid lipstick, so it's not going to fully dry down. It's more like a cream, so it stays feeling hydrated. It doesn't, dry out your lips. So that is really nice, and it's a really pretty shade. And it's like a deep red burgundy. I don't know. It's really pretty. So this is it right here. Okay. So the next thing in here is going to be from Starlux. And this is a brown Ultra Luxe Longwear eye pencil. So here's our pencil. And this retails for $19. So that's a pretty pricey eyeliner. And it says that it's a mechanical eye pencil. So, okay, next thing in here. I know a lot of people will be very excited about this. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3. And this is going to retail for $36. So let me open this up. And I'm going to show you guys. But I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to put it aside for a giveaway. I personally, okay, if you guys like this, this is great. I personally am not a fan of the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow formula. I love the Amazonian clay formula. I'm just not a huge fan of this one. So this is what it looks like, and you just see my screen right there. It's really, really pretty. The shades are gorgeous. This is a highlighting palette, so you're not going to be able to use this probably on its own. You might have to mix in a couple other shades from other palettes, but it does have a matte shade in here that you can use as a transition shade, and the rest of them are going to be more like a highlighting type of shade. But, I mean, for this to be in our box, which is $21, I mean, I'm not going to complain about that. It's still a good deal. And then the last thing in this box is going to be from Tarte, which I'm super excited that we got. We got 2 of their, let me see, Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. And they retail for $12 each, so it's a total of $24 for both of these. So I'm really excited about these. I love sheet masks, and this year I want to start using at least one every day because I have a collection of them and they need to get used. So that's really cool. So overall in our box, we got the Tarte sheet mask. I'm going to put them right back in their little box. We have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 3. We got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask. We got the Ofra Liquid Lipstick. And then we got the Starlooks Automatic Eyeliner. So that's not bad for our box. And I'm going to keep the little card outside so we can add everything up at the end of the video. So now we're going to dig into our Ipsy Glam box. I'm just going to stick with that one. So this is what this one looks like. And then we open it up and it says in here, it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So we open this up and then here's all our goodies. Again, this one does come with a little booklet that has the information about all the products. It says, Happy New Year, Ipster. Ring it in fierce with your January Glam Bag Plus. And then it says, hashtag Ipsy Recharge. So let's take a look and let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing in here is going to be from Wonder Beauty. It's their Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. We actually had received this before in Ipsy, in Boxycharm, sorry, a couple months ago, I believe. It's a nice mascara. I'm not a huge fan of it. I like more wet mascaras, and this one seemed to be a little bit more of a dry type of formula. So this might end up in a giveaway as well. The next thing in here, oh, and that is a full-size product. And let me see, that retails for $24. So next thing in here is also from Ofra. So we got another Ofra product, and this is the highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and this is also full size. So this is what it looks like, and it is beautiful. I love me highlighters, so I'm totally excited about that one. And that one, let's see if we can find it. That one retails for $35. Wow. Okay. So next thing in here, oh my gosh, it's a little eyeshadow palette. And it's from Violet Voss. And this one is the fun-sized eyeshadow palette. Okay. Oh my gosh, this little compact has a cute little mirror in here. But let me, oh, and it bends. Perfect. So this is what the colors look like. They're super pretty. There's a lot of like pinkies and golds. And this one right here is really, really pretty. It's like a pumpkin-y shade. Okay, so I'm totally excited about this. This one I am going to keep and try out. And let's see what that one retails for. That one retails for $18. And it's the Mini HG Eyeshadow Palette. Nice. Okay. Next thing in here is going to be from Vasanti. And it's the Matte Crush Lipstick Pencil. And I got the shade It's Your Mauve. So this is what the packaging looks like. Okay. And then this is the pencil. And this is, let's take a is really creamy. It goes on really nice, and that's the shade right there. So it is definitely a really pretty, it's like a brownie pinky mauve. So let's see. That one retails for $23. That's a little up in price too, honestly. Okay, so the next thing in here is from Hey Honey, and it's Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. And it's an all-day nourishing for flawless skin, and it's for all skin types. Here's what it is. I do love getting skincare, and this one actually says that you can use it, it's a serum, but you can also use it as a primer. It says it replenishes and protects your skin so you are ready to take on the day. And it says that you can wear it by itself or under your day cream, and it also makes a perfect primer, so I am excited to use it for that. That is a full-size product, you guys, and that retails for $45. So very, very nice. Okay, so there's something else in the box. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We actually got 6 products this month. That is super exciting. This is for Murad, and it's their Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. Again, this is a full-size product. We're going to open it up. And then here is our lotion. And this one I'm going to pass on to one of my family members because I do suffer from occasional breakouts, but with Murad and their acne line, I have to be very careful because there's something in it that makes me super, super itchy. So that one I'm going to pass, but I'm still excited that it was in here. And that one, let's see, that retails for $40, you guys. Wow. Very nice. Okay. And there is one more thing in our box, and this is actually an add-on. I love these Estelle Miss Glam brushes. So when I saw that this was available to add on for like $3, I was like, yep, get in my bag, please. So this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. It's all glitter, and then it's a multicolored brush on the top, and it's super soft, super pretty. I just love her brushes. Okay, so that's everything in both of our boxes. So let me add this up really quick. I got a little calculator here. So for our Boxycharm, let's see, Boxycharm came to a total of $115. I don't think you guys can even see that little total, but it came to $115. Again, $21 a month, so that's a pretty good deal. And our Ipsy bag came to $185. That is amazing. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I forgot to tell you guys, it is $25 a month, so it's what, $4 more than Ipsy. But they do say it's going to be 5 full-size items, and this month we even got 6. So that is an amazing deal. And I gotta say, this month I'm gonna go more with Ipsy. I do like the products in there more. I am gonna end up using almost all of them except for the 2, but those are gonna go to good homes. And then in the Ipsy, it was a good box. It wasn't a bad box, but I'm not as excited as I am for Ipsy. So for the month of January, Ipsy wins. Let me know, guys, are you guys subscribed to both of these? What do you guys think? Did you like your boxes? What did you like more? Who do you think won this month? And definitely let me know what type of video it is that you like down there. Do you guys like the Ipsy versus Boxycharm, or do you want individual videos? I do have other boxes coming this month. So for the rest of January, I'm probably going to do the box versus box type of video, but definitely let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the little subscribe button. This year I am trying to reach the 1,000, so definitely help me out and hit that little subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!